The Hermès jumping boots are one of the most expensive boots you can buy. If you've been considering these iconic boots, also known as their signature riding boots, you probably have questions about sizing, comfort, wear and tear, and whether they're worth your money. So let's dive into everything you need to know: price, fit, style tips, and what you must think about before you buy. Structurally, these boots are sturdy, with a rigid shaft that maintains its shape beautifully over time. However, the more you use them, the more used they will look. So if you're worried about durability, you should alternate between them and your other boots to reduce the creasing. When it comes to wear and tear, you need to be aware of the following. First, because of the smooth leather, creasing is inevitable, especially around the ankle and the toe box. If you're someone who wants your boots to stay pristine, be prepared. This is normal for calf skin. Next, you might be wondering if they're suitable for narrow or for wider feet. So these boots are very narrow by design, which gives them a sleek and elegant shape. If you have wide feet, you should be cautious. The structured leather has minimal give, and breaking them in might be uncomfortable, perhaps somewhat painful even. Styling these boots is incredibly easy because they are so versatile. For a casual day out, pair them with skinny jeans or leggings, a cozy sweater, and a crossbody bag for that effortless equestrian-inspired look. If you're aiming for smart casual, a skirt with a turtleneck and a wool coat make for a polished outfit that works for the office or lunch meetings. And for something dressier, you can style them with a midi skirt or dress and add tights for warmth. The boots elevate even the simplest outfit to feel elegant and timeless. These boots are perfect for anyone embracing a clean and simple aesthetic, understated, versatile, and forever Hermès. One practical tip before wearing these boots: sole protection. My Hermès sales associate recommended getting a protective sole added immediately to prevent wear and tear. I had this done before wearing them for the first time, and I highly recommend it for longevity. Now let's talk about fit, sizing, and comfort, because these are critical points for you to know before you buy anything. The first question you might have is, are they true to size? So the Hermès jumping boots to me fit true to size. I took my usual size, European 40, and they fit well. If you're used to other Hermès shoes like the Oran sandals or the loafers, the sizing is not necessarily consistent. I need a European 39 for the Orans and a European 38.5 for the loafers. Another thing to consider is the calf fit. The jumping boots are not made for thick calves. They have a slim, structured shaft that hugs the leg closely. If you have athletic calves or you need the extra room, these boots might feel a little too snug. You should try them on in the store if you can before purchasing. And finally, you should know that the Hermès jumping boots are produced in two versions, the short and the long version. So if you're more petite and have a shorter frame, these boots are also produced in a short version, especially for you. Both kinds are linked for you in the description section below. So are the Hermès jumping boots worth your money? Here is my take. If you're looking for a timeless luxury boot that's versatile, beautifully crafted, and will last you for years, the Hermès jumping boots are worth the investment. However, if you have wider calves or feet, I recommend trying them on in store to ensure a comfortable fit before you purchase them. Let me know in the comments section below if you'd consider investing in these boots, or if you already own them, share your thoughts with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury reviews, and I'll see you next time.